Hello my friends, and welcome back to Homesteading Northern Michigan. Today we are going to be doing a garden tour. I know you guys thought my garden was dead, but it is absolutely blowing up. This is the best year I have ever had, which is crazy because it started off so scary with the plants not growing and turning yellow and dying and all. But once we corrected that pH balance problem, wow, they started blowing up. They started taking in the nutrients from the chicken coop I put in here. I cleaned out both coops and we had an old compost pile. We put all of that in there because last year I about killed my entire garden by putting sawdust in there. Since we got such a sandy mix here, it wasn't retaining any moisture the first year. Now it grew good the first year, but it wasn't holding moisture. I had to water like every day. So I put all that sawdust in there to help hold some water in here, and it took all the nitrogen out of the soil. So this year, look at those beans. Wow. Like, I have no aisles anymore, guys. This is insane. I have never seen this before. I cannot believe how well everything is growing. I wanted to give you guys an update to show you, everything's fine and everything like that. I have not been having too much time to do any recording, my friends, and I really apologize for that. There's been a lot of stressful things as well as a lot of exciting things that are going to be going on here, and that is going on. Some of you know about it. Most of you do not, but you will very soon as it's all said and done. It's huge, my friends, it's huge. So let's get back to this garden tour. We have a couple lonely lima bean plants over here. I didn't weed back here, I really should have. I did go through here and we found some volunteer tomato plants. I did weed back here a little bit. I don't know what these are. Is this okra? Can somebody tell me what the heck this is? They're just randomly popping up. I think it is okra. I really think it is. Like, this will be the first year I ever had okra. I tried growing okra and it never did anything. Never looked anything like that. So that's exciting. I got that in random places throughout the garden, just popping up because I tilled this under like 3 times. Oh, gotta get the crabgrass out of here. Oh, it's about time to weed again. These things are gonna go to seed. Don't want that. Oh yeah, I gotta weed again. So we have cucumbers over here. These are all, I want to say they're black beans. I don't remember. I told Michelle just to grab some beans out of the cupboard and plant them, and she did, and they all came up. But I don't know what they are. I should ask her. I made some steaks for my tomatoes. This one doesn't seem to want to be on the steak, so I'm gonna have to tie that up. Tomatoes are looking great. Here is Tater Tower 2, doing really well. We got taters coming up in the top, all the way around the sides. Look at that. I got a comment saying I wondered if it's too late to plant potatoes. I responded with, I think they'll just be smaller potatoes if it is too late, which isn't bad. You put those in roasts and stuff. Over here, we have some yellowing going on in here. This did get dry and got droopy, and I don't know, that's when I started noticing the yellowing. So if you guys have any tips on that, let me know. I think it's from lack of water, and it just damaged the plants. So I'm gonna keep this heavily watered. I don't think they would be dying off so soon, but it is looking beautiful. We have our Hungarian hot wax over here. These things, we've been putting them in salads already. They're doing really good. We have a bunch, as you can see in here. We have them in here. See, a bunch of new flowers and everything. All of them got peppers on them. My regular peppers, I don't see any peppers on them yet. but they are looking beautiful. There's another okra, I think is okra. This one might have some issues. It is looking a little weird. We have some volunteer dill that popped up that is looking amazing. This is gotta be 3.5 foot tall. Looking great. Back onto the peppers all the way through here. I did plant carrots in between all the peppers. We only got a few that started coming up in between them, as you can see down there. All the way through out here to the corner is all pickling cucumbers. I was hoping they'd ride the fence, but they seem to want to go inward, which I'm gonna have to pull them out and start redirecting them. These are all Lincoln Homesteader peas. Look at all the flowers on these beans, guys. We're gonna have so many beans. This is amazing. This is amazing. This right here makes homesteading worth it. I mean, I'm looking at a whole heck of a lot of work to can and freeze and all this, but look at that. That is beautiful. Well, my friends, I got about 1% left on this camera. I just got done doing a milling video. I would like to thank you for watching Homesteading Northern Michigan. Quick garden update. I am alive, and so is my garden. You guys have a very blessed day, and thanks for watching Homesteading Northern Michigan.